Hello guys, and welcome back to another edition of Taste Test Reviews here on this channel on Tuesdays. Now we are going to taste test Oreo chocolate candy bar. So here we go. See, king size, two individually wrapped bars. I like how they just put it in like another wrapper. Imagine it was another wrapper after another wrapper. Dude, I would be so pissed. Would you guys be too? Here's the outer of the candy bar. So this is its taste. I don't know why I'm doing like this when I say this is its taste. Just because I am what I am. The unstoppable of taste test, unstoppable of this channel. Here we go. This is its taste. Mmm. Mmm. Look at it. Mmm. As it's melting in my hand. Mmm. Mmm. Well, good. Please subscribe for more. Unstoppable out.